Okay. So it's been about 25 to 30 minutes, and we have 4 of the 5 rices pretty much ready. They just came out of the C-Vap, and we're just going to wait a minute until, just give them another minute to let them kind of steam and cure. And then we also have our 5th rice, the brown rice. It's not a converted rice. It has a harder hull on the outside and it takes a little longer for it to get done. So I'm going to say it's probably going to take closer to 40 minutes at 200 vapor, 350 air in RTV. So first we'll look at our enriched long grain white rice. Nice, fluffy individual grains. I'll say good result here. Next, we're going to look at that parboiled rice. A lot of Uncle Ben's type rice is a parboiled rice, and it's really kind of like rice for dummies. And this is the rice for me because I ruin it all the time. But when I get an Uncle Ben's type, I just love the rice. Individual grains, no clumps. It's a big difference between this kind of rice, just a regular long grain rice that's enriched, versus a parboiled. And I think a lot of the starch comes out with the parboiled rice, and that adds to the stickiness like this one. Okay, let's look at our basmati, which is another long grain white, but a different variety. It has a different smell and has a different flavor. Nice, fluffy white rice. Again, this was 25 minutes in the RTV, 25 to 30 minutes in the RTV, 200 vapor, 350 air. Okay, now this is the short grain sushi type rice. This will be very sticky. Looks nice. Probably. It's about 40 minutes.